So one of the things we get asked often to do is to help people with developing and training their future leaders or even keeping the existing leaders sharp. So along the way, one of the things that happened is one of our clients asked us, hey, can you take your book, Your Oxygen Mask First, and create a leadership program out of it? There's 17 chapters. It could be a 17-month program. And I went, hey, that's a pretty good idea. So we've started to do that with a few firms, and it's working out exceptionally well, really, really well. Now, and to tell the truth, we're taking a lot of the content from my book, but we're also including content from great books like Scaling Up, which I was a key contributor to, Multipliers by Liz Weissman, 1 Minute Manager, The Oz Principle, and some good work that Jim Collins has done in his books, and created a monthly leadership program that can be done in 60 to 90 minutes for leaders in multi-locations, because we normally do them on video conference. And it's a simple way to continue to educate your leaders little bits at a time. 60 minutes in and out, or 75 minutes in and out. So you can do this yourself. Grab this book and do a chapter at a time with your team. Grab other great books and break it down into 3 or 4 chunks. The key is to have discussions around the key content, and then give people exercises or activities they can practice. And then next time, listen back to what worked, what didn't, and you kind of want a bit of accountability to make sure they actually do the work. The key is that we're all so busy and don't generally have enough time to continue to do learning that we need to do. This is a simple way that you can do it yourself, or you can call us and have us help you with that as well. So continue to make yourself sharper, continue to help yourself thrive and grow and get better and better. Have a great day.